Hello, good morning. I'm going to show you how I'm making some dark chocolate and raspberry healthy blondies. So, I'm just whisking 3 separated egg whites. Here I've got 2 mashed bananas. Okay, these are Weight Watchers friendly, Slimming World friendly. They've got no rubbish processed ingredients in. So here I've got 2 mashed bananas, 3 egg yolks, and here I've got 50 grams, which is basically about half a vanilla yogurt. Right, this is the one that I used. It's a vegetarian one and it's low fat. So mix that together. Okay, and then in here I've got 50 grams of oats mixed with 10 grams of self-raising flour. So chuck that in. Okay. These are suitable on Weight Watchers Flex and low in points. Okay. Mix in your egg whites. So you don't need any fancy ingredients to make these. Okay, give that a good mix. 1 level tablespoon of baking powder. And I'm going to add in, because I love it, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Obviously you can add whatever flavours you like. Some people add natural sweetener, might want to add a bit of sugar or some vanilla essence or whatever you like really. Trial and error these things. Right, give it a good mix. I've got 15 grams here of dark chocolate chips. You can use milk chocolate or white chocolate. I prefer these. So chuck these in, and along with a handful of raspberries. I'm going to squish these down a bit. All in. There we go, give it a good mix. Basically, pour it into a tin, bake about 180 degrees, approximately 25 minutes, and hope for the best. There we go. Now I'm not going to wait 25 minutes to show you how they come out, and I haven't got a blue pizza already done to show you, but I'll show you a picture and put all the ingredients underneath. Thank you.